Top 3 Best Dustpan and Brush Sets. Number 3. OXO Good Grip Sweep Set with Extendable Broom. Broom extends up to a full-sized broom with a quick twist for any sweeping task. Full-sized broom head and large capacity dustpan perfect for sweeping large areas. When retracted, broom is ideal for sweeping dirt piles into dustpan. The broom has flagged bristles resulting in a larger surface area and a soft, feather texture that effectively grabs dust and dirt. Broom snaps into dustpan for upright, compact storage. Extended dimensions, 53-inch. Pros: pan and brush fit together for storage. Both brush and pan can telescope to reach high. Teeth on the pan help pull large pieces of debris from the brush. Great for picking up animal hair. Bristles on this brush do a good job of picking up debris on the floor. Cons: if space is limited, keep in mind this brush and pan will not reduce smaller than 35 inches for storage. Bottom line: if you need a dustpan that keeps you from bending over, this pan and brush set is a good bet. Number 2. Libman Dustpan with Whisk Broom. Whisk Broom snaps into a Libman dustpan for easy and convenient storage. The fine fibers help to better pick up hair, dust, and dirt better than traditional small job brooms. The sturdy, flagged duster fibers are made from recycled materials in environmentally friendly manufacturing facilities. 10.5 inches total whisk height with a 7 inches wide sweeping surface. Comes with a 10.25 inches wide dustpan. Pros: a heavy-duty set for the price. It will pick up quick kitchen messes and can also help with heavier projects. Will take a beating. Great for small areas. Perfect for kitty litter. Made from a heavy plastic. Brush has strong bristles. Broom snaps into the dustpan for compact storage. Cons: the pan is a little narrower than others on the market, but matches well with the size of this brush. Bottom line: the whisk-style brush on this handy little dustpan works well and lasts. Number 1. Redeker Vintage Line Horsehair Hand Brush and Dustpan Set. Great for everyday cleaning. Features hair from the tail and mane of horses. The strong hair is excellent for cleaning cobwebs, for brooms, and for hand brushes. Featuring a charming vintage-inspired look, leather straps allow this set to be conveniently hung for storage. The hand-hewn oak handles will naturally age gracefully over the years. Made from hand-hewn oak, horsehair, and powder-coated metal, measures 17 3/4 inches long. Pros: quality design on this vintage-looking product. Brush made from horsehair. Provides a naturally well-made brush. A sturdy product that works as well as it looks. Feels good in the hand and sweeps up well. Comes with a leather strap for hanging. Cons: this is one of the most expensive brush and pan sets on the market. Bottom line: if it is possible for a dustpan and brush to win a beauty contest, this set may do it with functionality and durability. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.